Yeah. You see it? It looks like a banana now.
I'll tell you what. Okay, get ready to take off your filters. Get ready to take off your filters in 1 minute. It's going to get very dead. The redness is starting on the horizon. Redness is starting off the horizon. There it comes. Here's the show. We're now coming into the shadow. Okay? Any second. Take off your glasses now. Take off. You're safe. You're safe. Get ready. You're going to see the diamond ring now. Diamond ring. There's the corona of the sun. The corona's coming out. The diamond ring. So they come out. Look at this. Total lightness. The shadow and red all around. Look at the beautiful corona. That's the corona of the moon. Of the sun. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. All the moons out. Jupiter's out over to the left. Venus here. Mercury, Venus. You're looking at the true form of the sun.
Frank, look up, look up.
Yeah.
Look at the sky.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
Enjoy that totality. You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes. Don't. You want.
Oh my God. You got it. Take a picture of us. Take a picture of us. Hurry up. Take a picture of us.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. I see prominences at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock at 3 o'clock. Huge prominences. Look at the streamers. 2 o'clock. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, look at that. The details. South Pole, North Pole. Streamers there. Oh, is there any bubbles in there? Look at that. The corona. Oh, look at the chromosphere. So red. It's so red. Look at that. Oh my God. Huge prominences. 3 o'clock. Wow. Look at this. We're going to total darkness now. Look at that red all around. See the clouds all around. Sunset. 30 degrees around. Venus. Look at that. You've never seen the sun like this. The most beautiful thing. The outer atmosphere of the sun extending away with streamers. Beautiful.
It looks like a big eyeball.
Look at that. The blackness of the moon blocking it out. The treat. The rarity. 38 years since it's touched the contiguous United States. 38 years we waited. My God. Look at the detail. Look at the corona. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Look at that hydrogen. Look at the chromosphere. It's gorgeous. Feeding the chromosphere coming inside. Look at that. Oh my God, what a huge prominence. A huge prominence at 3 o'clock from here. Look at this. Wow. Oh, coming at 2 o'clock. Another prominence. More prominences.
Brighter already.
Oh, look at that. Feeding coming through all the valleys there. 5 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Look at the curves, the streamers coming out of there. 2:30. 3 o'clock, curving around, the full streamer extending. 3, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. My God, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, it's beautiful. Straight overhead and clear, look at that, a rare treat. That's our sun, and our moon giving us a treat of what it really looks like in space. That's the true sun. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Oh my God, more coming on the other side here now. More chromosphere, very lighting up very much. Here we go. Get ready for a diamond ring, folks. It's coming up right there, right for the 3 o'clock. Here comes the diamond ring. And he said Bailey's beads starting. Here we go, red diamond ring. Bailey's beads. Wow, multiple beating. Oh my God, beautiful. Multiple beating. That was it. 2 minutes. Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, pretty soon you gotta put your filters on now. Your filters can put them on now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, what a beautiful thing. A perfect eclipse. Absolutely perfect. Oh my God. Wow, there it goes. Shadow racing to the east now, headed down to the Carolinas of Georgia. There it goes. Light over here in the west. Wow, look at that. There it goes. That's the shadow of the moon going. They're experiencing totality. Millions of people have seen it across America. Chase planes flying it too late, though. They're not going to make it now.
Give me 5, man. That was good. That was awesome. That was awesome, man. That was awesome.
How'd you like it, Frank? Yeah. How'd you like that, Frank? Wasn't that cool? You like that, Frank? Me too. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect eclipse. That was a perfect solar eclipse.